Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So Honor has announced the Honor V30 and the V30 Pro. Also we can call this device known as a Honor V30 or V30 Pro, the latest in its range of generally impressive upper mid-range phones. The Honor V range is usually released global as the V series and offer competitive specs based on a parent company Huawei latest technology this year. V20 debuts with a 48 megapixel camera and Canon 990 and a whole bunch selfie camera. In this video, as you can see, the first look of the Honor V30 Pro, and also we talk about the full specification price of this phone. So the Honor V30 Pro has a 6.57 IPS LCD punch hole display with a 1080p by 2400 pixel and 20 by 9 aspect ratio and the 400 ppi density. Also the screen to body ratio is the 84.9%. This phone is come with the Android 10.0 and also with the Honor Magic UI 3. The phone weight is also 206 gram, which is not too much heavy. One more good thing is dual SIM, the dual nano SIM, and with a dual standby. The phone is powered by chipset high silicon Canon 997 nanometer plus. The CPU is octa-core CPU 2.86 GHz multiplied by 2 and Cortex A76 and A55. The GPU in this phone is the Male G76 and MP16. The Honor V30 Pro come with a two variant, 128 gigabytes internal storage and 8 gigabytes RAM, and the second variant is a 256 gigabyte internal storage with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Talk about the Honor V30 backside. As you can see, the three camera setup on the back, which is similar to the recently leaked Samsung S11 setup. The first camera is the wide angle 40 megapixel f1.6. The second camera is the 8 megapixel f2.4, which is the telephoto camera and 3x optical zoom in this lens. The third camera is the 12 megapixel f2.2. It's the ultra wide camera. Video recording on the back rear camera is the 4K at 30 frames per second and 960 frames per second in the 720p. The two selfie camera on the front with the punch hole design, which is really good. The first selfie camera is the 32 megapixel f2.0 wide angle lens, and the second lens is the ultra wide 8 megapixel f2.2. Video recording on the front camera is the 30 frames per second at 1080p. The phone has a no 3.5mm jack. It's not come in this device. Came onto the battery section. The phone come with the 4100 mAh battery with a fast battery charging 70% in 30 minutes, fast wireless charging, also 27 volt. Also have a power bank reverse fast charging. The Honor V30 Pro come with a three color ocean blue, galaxy black and the Icelandic forest. The fingerprint in this device is really good, which is side mounted. The V30 Pro uses Huawei Canon 990 5G processor with integrated next generation connectivity. It's really good thing. I personally like the mid-range phone have now come with a 5G. In the last we talking about the Honor V30 Pro price. The Honor V30 Pro cost 3,899 yuan, which is the equal $550 for a model with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, while the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage is cost 4,199 yuan, which is the equal $600. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video. Thumbs up on this video. For more tech news, hit that subscribe button and enable the bell icon for my latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.